Hi everyone, welcome to our learning channel. Today we are going to solve here this mathematical problem. Although this problem appears to be very simple, but many of us commit mistakes in solving this problem very oftenly. Here it is given 24 divided by 12 and within bracket 1 plus 1. So in most cases people solve it like this: 24 divided by 12, then this is multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2. So this becomes 24 divided by 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 divided by 24, that becomes 1. But this answer is incorrect, and the correct answer is, let us write the problem again. So here 24 divided by 12 is given, and within bracket 1 plus 1. So according to Bodmas rule, first we have to do the operation of the bracket part. So this becomes 24 divided by 12, and this is multiplication sign. Within bracket it is given 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now here division is given and multiplication is there. So after that, division part we have to do first. So this part we have to complete first. So 24 divided by 12 is 2 and multiplied by 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So this is the answer. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everybody.